Are you a beginner wondering how to launch your website in 2026? You might have to start with web hosting and domain name. Now, what is a web hosting? Web hosting is a service that allows individuals and businesses make their websites accessible to users. It is crucial for businesses because it provides the necessary infrastructure and support for users to access your website around the world. What is a domain? A domain name is simply your website address on the internet. It is what people type into their browser to find you. Think of jumia.com, google.com, amazon.com, yourbusinessname.com. There are so many other extensions such as .com.ng, .biz, .net, and so many more. Without a domain name, people would have to type in a long string of number called IP address. And let's be honest, nobody is doing that in 2026. Look at it this way. Your web hosting is the land, your website files are the house, your domain name is the home address. If people don't know the address, they can't find your house. It's that simple. Now, here is something important. Whether your website is built with programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or a CMS platform like WordPress, they all start the same way. You will need a domain name and a web hosting. If you are outside Nigeria, for example, if you're in the UK or US, you might have heard of a platform called Hostinger. They are popular and they work. But today, I want to show you something different, especially if you're in Nigeria or targeting a Nigerian audience. There's a web hosting company that people don't talk about enough, and that is Qservers. The platform is reliable, affordable, and very beginner friendly. I have used it for hundreds of my clients' projects. And that's exactly what we're going to use in this video. In this video, I am going to walk you through step by step through how to buy your hosting, how to register your domain name, how to connect everything together and install WordPress. And I'll be making a real life purchase so you can see how everything works. So let's get started. Head over to qservers.ng. If you decide to use Qservers after watching this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description below. It will take you directly to this interface. That link is my referral link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it supports this channel and helps me create more practical tutorials such as this. If you find this video helpful, feel free to use the link below when making your purchase. Now hover over to hosting and select WordPress hosting. Select the first one, WP1. You can see the features of this hosting. One website, 10 gig SSD storage, which is good, 99 email accounts, free SSL certificate, backs up, automatic updates, free.com.ng domain name. On order now. Go ahead and still select the first one, WP1. You can also go for WP2, WP3, WP4, WP5, depending on what you are going for. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to keep it simple. Select WP1, click on order now. You can go ahead and register a new domain, or if you already have a domain that you would like to transfer for another registrar, or you want to use an existing domain, you can select this. Well, I'm registering a new domain, so I'll go ahead and put in my business name. For the extension, I'll be using .com.ng. Click on continue. Select how long you would like to pay for this domain. You can go ahead and select 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, but I'm going to be leaving it at 1 year. Click on continue. Now it's time for you to choose your hosting's billing cycle. Do you want to pay for your hosting every month, or you want to pay for it quarterly, semi-annually, annually, biannually, trinally? It all depends on your budget. Because this is a tutorial, I'm going to keep it at monthly. Scroll down, and for the WP admin username, you can select what you want. You can change it later from your admin panel. And for the admin login URLs, I'm going to be using WP admin. Click on continue. Continue. Now it's time for you to fill in your details. Now you have to input your details like your name, your address too, your city, your state, your zip code, and all that. You can fill all this in. For the payment method, you can choose Wave by Flutterwave, Paystack, debit or credit card. On checkout, Once you click on checkout, it's going to prompt you to enable a two-factor authentication. Now this helps keep your site secured. You can choose the way you like to get your authentication code. For me, I prefer the second option, 6-digit login code OTP by email address every single time you want to log in. So just select this and get started. Just in case you lose access to your email address, you can always use this backup code to log in. Once you verify your email address, click on the invoices and go ahead and choose your payment method. If you want to pay with card, if you want to pay with USSD, you want to pay by bank, or if you want to pay by OPay, I'm going to be choosing this. Now click on proceed. Once you've gone ahead and made your payment to show paid on your invoice, you can return back to your client area and refresh. Click on services. You can see that your domain is active. Our next step will be to install WordPress. Go to this status where it says active and just click on it. Scroll down and click on login to cPanel. Here you're on the cPanel. Scroll down and click on WordPress Manager. Here we're going to install WordPress. Click on install and type in your site name, your site description. This is mainly what your site is into. Now for the admin accounts, you can create your admin username and your admin password. Now you can go ahead and choose whatever you want here. You can still change it from your WordPress admin dashboard. And when you say select plugin, make sure to uncheck all this. We need all of this in our fresh WordPress updates. Now, once you're done, click on install. Return to WordPress management. Once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and click on login to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, or you can hover to your domain name and click on it, and you will see that this is what our website looks like. So now if you click on our X Digital and click on dashboard, you'll be now redirected to your WordPress admin dashboard. And we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you can, and share to your friends who will find this video helpful. Till next time, ciao.